Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. The beginning of this video, I'm just recording with my laptop and then it'll go to a better camera. I wanted to come on and did you know that when you're recording with your phone and somebody makes a phone call, that it stops the recording? I did not know until my son told me, because it stopped recording as I added some spices to this recipe. And then Casey's like, Mom, did you press record again? Because when you get a phone call, even if you decline the phone call, it stops the recording. It doesn't continue. So anyway, the spices that I added to this dish are, I put 2 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now you can leave all these spices out. It's still going to be good, or choose the ones that you want to put in, and it's still going to be good. Another thing that before we get started is I was wondering what you all like for holiday season to eat. What are your favorite dishes, your favorite treats, your favorite desserts or side dishes? I'm thinking about doing a couple of videos, or do a video with like 2 or 3 side dishes that we enjoy and that you may enjoy. A video maybe with 3 different types, or 2 or 3 different types of squares or something like that, because I feel like you're with me when I'm in my kitchen. I feel like I'm having friends over, I'm having my neighbors over, and we're sharing and talking and chatting and just enjoying. I would like to bring you things that you enjoy. Anyway, let's get this video started.
With Neighbors, I'm making a casserole. A popular casserole, I believe, in the United States called King Ranch Casserole. I'm sticking with the classic version. I believe it was made up by Campbell's Soup Company, because they were pumping out a lot of cream of chickens and whatnot, and cream of soups back in the day. I have a bowl here. That's what I have. I have a can of cream of mushroom. It's 284 mils, or 284 mils, so about a 10-ounce can. I hope everybody's doing fabulous. We've been having a little bit of the S word, a little bit of snow. We've been having a little bit of snow, rain, hail, snow. Anyway, woke up to a dusting of snow again today. But that's okay. It's the Great White North. What was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Casey. May as well tilt you down. So, cream mushroom soup. Yeah, so I get my comfy clothes on here and I get cooking and I enjoy it. I like hanging out with you all. So now this is cream of chicken. Same size can as the cream of mushroom. We're going to put that on in there. This is a classic version. Like, you know, you can make your own cream sauces, but we're sticking to the classic way because I want to do my friends down in the United States of America proud, hopefully. This, I did not get Rotel because Rotel is almost 3 bananas here. And this was only 1 banana. This is larger though, so this is about 15 ounces, if you want to go by ounces. 450 mils, 540 mils. Oh, that's like how many ounces? 540 mils, how many ounces? Anyway, I'll convert it. Can't do math in my head right now. So I might not need as much chicken stock in this because of how much liquid is going to be in this, because I don't want it to be soupy. This got green chilies in it, just like the Rotel. But, yeah, this got bigger tomatoes. So I'm going to dice them. I'm going to have to chop them up. That's okay. Give me a second. So you can saute what I'm showing you here for a minute or two in some oil and butter if you want to take some of the rawness off. But traditionally, I believe that it's just diced up kind of finely, but you dice it the way you want and it's thrown in. So it just depends on how soft you want your veggies to turn out in the end. Righty, 10 ounces of chicken broth, but I'm not going to use that because I'm going to use like 5 because my tomatoes, my can of tomatoes is more than what I normally would put in. I have 4 good sized chicken breasts that I cooked up and I shredded apart. You can use a rotisserie chicken, you can use chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever you want, chicken pieces and stuff. Boneless, skinless, cook it, okay? I'm gonna mix that in there in a second, but first, get my 9x13 casserole dish, and I wanna put, before I mix my chicken in, I'm gonna put a layer of this. So grate some cheese, about 4 cups of it, okay? You can use sharp cheddar, you can use marble, Mexican blend, cheese of choice. Okay, so I have my chicken all mixed in there. Corn tortillas. Let me get what I have. This is kind of I'm using anyway, so it depends how big they are. You want to cover the bottom and stuff. And the size depends on the amount that you're going to use. But anyway, this is kind of I have in there. Corn tortillas. Like I said, flour ones won't hold up very well. Okay. Alrighty then. In half, you can quarter them, you can put them in whole, you can rip them into little pieces. You do you, it's your casserole. I'm not going to judge you. I ain't a judgy person. I'm going to put half of this layer in. This layer, however, I'm going to put another one of these because I want to put cheese on the last. I want to put cheese on top. Okay, so my oven's preheated to 375. I am going to put it in and I'm going to check on it in about 25 minutes and see if it's all like bubbling and ready. But I'm going to put a tray under it so that just in case I have any spillage. Gotta wash my hands. I'm going to let it set up. It was in there for like 35 minutes. I wanted it to get that nice little brownness on top. So it looks so beautiful. And yeah, I'm going to try cutting a piece. It still needs to cool some more. But as I said, if we leave it set up a bit, then it won't be, then you can cut it more like a lasagna. Nice and creamy. Linda's collaboration. It's the casseroles that you would take to a gathering, a get-together of some kind. And I think that her daughter, Jen, would really like this. King Ranch Casserole. Give it a try. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. Peace, love, God bless. Like, share, subscribe.